Okay, real talk. I just built a full-stack web app in minutes using AI. No coding needed. If you've got an idea and zero time, this is your sign. I went from blank screen to a live app with auth, database, and a slick UI in one sitting. No manual setup, no terminal chaos. Just prompts. Here's the hook. Hook, steps, proof, CTA, steps. Step 1, the idea. I opened a clean doc. I wrote one sentence. I need a simple habit tracker where users sign in, add habits, tick them daily, and see streaks. Step 2, generate the stack. I used an AI app starter, a code-free builder like Bubble or Glide, or an AI-first starter like Versal V0 or Replit's AI. I picked the no-code route to prove the point, and pasted my one-sentence spec. The AI mapped screens: sign up, dashboard, add habit, streak view. Step 3, auth in one click. I toggled email, Google sign-in. The AI created the auth flow and protected pages. It even created a user table behind the scenes. Step 4, database without SQL. I described my data, habit, description, frequency, last check-in, streak count, owner. The AI generated tables and relations automatically. Step 5, UI by prompt. Make it minimal, bright accents, mobile first, dark mode optional. It applied a modern theme, set spacing, and built a card layout with filters. Step 6, logic with plain English. When user taps tick, update, last check-in to today. If consecutive days, increment streak, else, reset. The AI wrote the workflows, no code windows. Step 7, instant deploy. I clicked publish. It gave me a live URL and a staging link. Proof. I screen recorded the entire build. Time from first prompt to live link, under 10 minutes. I signed up with Google, added 3 habits, tapped tick. The streak updated instantly. Charts redrew, mobile stacked perfectly, desktop snapped to a clean 3-column grid. I invited a friend, owner permissions held. Dark mode toggled, charts kept accessible contrast. No custom CSS, no migrations, no backend code. Quick pro tips: write one tight paragraph, name fields in plain English, start ugly, ship, then polish. What this means: you don't need to be technical, just clarity, curiosity, and willingness to press publish. AI is your co-founder that never sleeps. Links in description. Grab the free prompts and checklist, tell me what app to build next, and subscribe for faster builds, smarter prompts, real results. I'll see you in the next one.